Oh shit, here we go again.
In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can simply get paid for posting content on your social media platforms. Stick around for this whole video if you're looking to make some money from the comfort of your own home. Thank you guys for joining me for yet another video. Now, if you're only just discovering one of my videos, my name's Ryan and I grow and monetize Instagram theme pages. I also like to bring this up at the start of every single one of my videos, and that is that I'm not charging you for a course in this video or any of my other videos. In fact, that's not me. Instead, all I ask in return for watching these videos and getting this free information is that you go down below, smash the like button and drop me a subscribe down there as well. If you're feeling a bit spicy, even drop a notification bell too. I love to hear from you guys and know what you want to see from me in the future. So if you want to see any specific videos on Instagram or anything like that, then drop them down below in the comments below. Right, that's enough waffling from me. Let's get right into the meat of the video now. So let's picture it. You've got a decent following, let's say between 1,000 and 10,000 followers, and you want to make some money online. So first of all, you can try affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is essentially you promoting someone else's product and getting paid a commission for every single sale you generate. So for example, if you sell a product worth $20 and you get a 10% commission, that is $2 to your name. Then if you sell 100 of those, that's $200 to your name.
Ooh, you're hard, showing off.
Think about it, it builds up really quickly, and if you have a network of active and loyal followers, then you will get a lot of money from this. So here's an example of a page that is currently doing affiliate marketing, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, they're promoting someone else's product and they're getting paid a commission for every sale that they generate for that person. This is perfect for the people who do not want to do dropshipping. I will speak a little bit more about dropshipping later on in this video. I myself have done affiliate marketing for a couple months on one of my big Instagram theme pages. I found this profitable, but not as profitable as dropshipping. So dropshipping, what is it? Dropshipping is pretty much you getting a product from a Chinese distributor, promoting it on your Instagram page, then someone from your following on your Instagram page purchases that product from you and your store, and then you ship that product from the distributors in China straight to your followers' door. You do not need to hold any inventory when you're dropshipping, it's all in the warehouses. This is something that you can start from scratch as long as you have a decent size following on Instagram. I recommend you have between 20,000 and 50,000 followers on Instagram before you decide to dropship, and also maybe consider purchasing a couple courses so you know how to do it and not waste your money. On Shopify itself, you get a free trial so you can test out some products and everything for free, completely free, before you have to pay a penny, and you can always cancel if this does not work out. If you'd like to see some in-depth dropshipping videos from me, because I've done it myself, then please drop that in the comments below. I'll be happy to do it. Also, if you're happy to see a return on the YouTube videos, they're gonna be consistent every single week from now on. Slap me a subscribe down below, whack some comments down there and give me some nice feedback. So the next option you can go for if you're looking to make some money on your social media platforms is reselling Instagram theme pages. So how do I resell an Instagram theme page, you may ask? Pretty much look for pages between 1,000 and 10,000 followers. You think, okay, this could blow up now. Get them to send over some insights, and if they're looking decent, purchase it, then sell it on in a couple months time. You can make a decent amount of money doing this, but be careful, you do not want to get scammed. Make sure that the person you are purchasing the page from has access to the OG email, all passwords and everything, and always pay through PayPal. The best niches to purchase pages in are normally the travel niche, car niche and business niche. They can grow the quickest and they are the most profitable as well. So you could resell these pages, or you could hold them. And what do I mean by holding these pages? So you can actually make a lot more money if you hold the page long term. This page will keep growing and growing, and you can also market your own products and services onto this page for absolutely free. That is free marketing, and who would not want that? So I have actually been buying and reselling theme pages for quite a while now, and I can recommend this as a great way to make some money. So next up is SocialBook.io. This is an AI-driven influencer marketing platform. If you are an influencer on the likes of Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube, it may be hard to find brands and businesses to collaborate with, and SocialBook can help with that. SocialBook has a dedicated platform to help you put together proposals for businesses and collaborations. You can also connect all of your social media accounts to this platform, and this gives a breakdown of how much you can charge for shoutouts, for example, all your likes and viewers, and gives you a deeper insight into all of you can do on Instagram and all your social media platforms. This has a lot more features than I'm going to describe now, but feel free to check it out for yourself. So feel free to click the link down below. I've put it in the description, and it will tell you a lot more about SocialBook and how you can use it to your advantage. So if you're an influencer watching this and you want to make some money, SocialBook is a great opportunity. I'll leave the link down below, check it out. Okay, so the final way that you can make some good money staying at home, posting pictures on the internet, is through a social media marketing agency business. I actually ran one of these myself for quite a long time and it was very successful. Pretty much to do this, People are going to pay you to post content for them. And it's not just anyone, it's businesses. So there's a lot more to it than just posting, but the main things are posting viral content and using some good strategies. So there are some great strategies you can use to grow businesses pages on Instagram, YouTube, etc. I'm going to talk mainly Instagram here because that is what I am best at. So if you're going to post pictures and videos for businesses, the main factor you want to watch out for is watch time. This can even be used for photos. This means how long someone stays on your piece of content for. Instagram uses this as a way to measure how engaged they are and how much they enjoy your content. And if they enjoy your content a lot, then they push it out to a wider audience. This can go for anything. If you're an influencer, you need to know this too. Working out what keeps people on your posts is a bit of trial and error. You just have to keep trying what works and what doesn't work, scrap it and try something that does. It's a bit of rinse and repeat, but you'll get it in the end. So if you're actually going to be posting pictures and videos for businesses, you need to be pushing it out regularly. You also need to be using some great strategies. Strategies I recommend using for businesses is engagement strategies. This is engaging back with your competitors' followers, etc. I find commenting back on their posts is the best way to do it. Any comments you get, you need to reply to them. You can't just have comments sitting on your page that you haven't replied to because they are your fan base. And at the end of the day, they're the one who are going to pay your bills and grow your account. So this is coming towards the end of today's video, and I've noticed only about 5% of my viewers are actually subscribed. Now I'm looking to change this. So if you are one of those viewers that is not subscribed to my channel, go down below and change that. Remember, you can always change your mind if you do not want to be subscribed anymore and get annoyed by my videos. And last but not least, absolutely obliterate the like button for the YouTube algorithm. This helps my channel be promoted to a wider audience and gets me more followers, guys. Feel free to check out my most recent video by waiting to the end of this video, and I'll be sure to see you around, guys. Peace.